So for me this is an awesome truck. This is a 8x6 MAN from the company Eurokran. They do especially a lot of installations like these. So just a quick walk around this beautiful MAN truck. Normally on an 8x6 like this one is from MAN you have the second axle driven, but this is a Toni Maurer conversion, and now the first axle is driven, giving a much shorter wheelbase, which also gives you much maneuverability. The rear axle is also steered, so it goes really short around the corners. It's basically like a 4x4 when it comes to length and maneuverability. Behind the short day cab they installed a Palfinger 92, which is ideal for some heavy lifting, even up close range, and with the 8x extension also up till about 20 meters with 3 tons of capacity. So the chassis on this side holds a diesel tank and some support plates. So coming to the front of the truck, we of course notice the Toni Maurer and Nike's logo on the front. Nike's is the installer of the Palfinger crane. Toni Maurer of course the converter of the chassis. We see the front leg. This is capable of holding 18 tons of stabilizer weight. And on this side all the rest of the free room is filled with boxes for chains and whatever you need for lifting operation, as the main free space got taken away by the exhaust damper. So the crane is a G version, so 8x but no jib. It's not necessary in this kind of work. It has the box. The box can be taken off the flatbed so that you get a tractor unit. If we look underneath here, we'll see that it has a fifth wheel. There it is. And now it's using the box to haul some small parts, because the construction crane that it brought was transported by using these kinds of axles.